have ever gotten a pair of pants from Shein that actually fit me. Like, these actually fit. They actually go above my ass. I'm literally shook right now. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited. I literally just got home, took a shower, like did my whole gym routine and everything. And I remembered I had a package, and as you can tell by video title, I got a package from Shein, and I'm really excited to open it. So I really just couldn't even wait to do this video. So it's dark outside, but whatever, we here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But before I get started, make sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and do all that good stuff. It'll really help me out, and I would really love it if you did, because I'm trying to get my subscribers up. So help a girl out. Another thing I wanted to talk about as well is with this haul, it's like it's gonna be like a little bit out of my comfort zone as far as the clothes that I got, because it's not stuff that I'm used to wearing. But I'm trying to like redefine my style, or at least like kind of find my style. I'm not really sure if I ever had like a specific type of style. I'm pretty chill, laid back. Like, I don't wear anything too like fancy. Like, I know what to dress up. Like, I know how to get cute and dress up and all that. But on a regular day, like, I'm not putting on a whole bunch of makeup. Like, I'm literally sit here and talk on YouTube with no makeup on my face. But I really want my style to represent who I am, or at least like who I want to be. So I picked pieces that are like a little bit more girly, a little bit more I try to stay like modest and girly, but feminine and cute, stuff that I'm just not used to wearing. I don't like to show a lot of skin. Like, I'm not the type of person to like wear short shorts and like all that stuff. I'm trying to be like in my grown and sexy era. You know what I'm saying? Like, sexy but modest, not showing too much, you know, like a little leg here and there. But I just wanted to change my wardrobe up a little bit. So this is gonna be like my first ever haul doing this type of clothing. So we're gonna see how they fit. I'm a little nervous because like Shein is like a little bit of a hit or miss for me, because it's either like I'm a medium in these type of pants, but then I'm a large in those, and I'm not really sure like what the fabric is. Like, it depends on what the clothing is made with me, and like a whole bunch of certain other stuff. So I tried to pick stuff in the sizes that I thought would work for me. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have to be returning anything, because I'm not gonna lie, I still got stuff from Shein that I got from last year that I haven't even worn because I can't fit them. Like, I'm gonna stop all that talking and we're just gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna show you guys what these clothes look like. Let's go. Okay, y'all, this is the first outfit. It's a dress. I think this is like really cute. Okay, I didn't think it would fit this well actually, but I think I would need, ooh, okay, it popping open like that. Okay, we don't want all that showing. I like that it's not too short, and it's still like, I wish it came in like a little bit more up here to give myself like a little bit up. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the first one. First dress. Okay, this is dress number 2. This is like a bodycon, you know, it got the pockets. I like when a dress got pockets. It's like when a dress got pockets, I mean business. I mean business. So this is the second one. Okay, y'all, we coming in with the romper. We coming in with the romper. Or is this like a jumpsuit? I don't know. Jumpsuit, romper. I think this is so cute for like the summertime. Just have this on. You can put some cute heels on with it. You can put some cute flats on with it. Like, you can never go wrong with like a basic romper jumpsuit suit situation. Like, yeah, I can even go to the beach with this on. Like, this could be my cover up. I also got this same one in another color, and I think these will look so good together. So this is the green one. This actually fits like slightly different than the white one over here, and it's like a little bit bigger like up top, and then it also has like the little thing, I guess, like to go on your bra. This didn't have that one on the white one, but I think it's still cute. I think it'll still work. And let me know which color y'all like better, the green or the white over here. Okay, so this is the next one, and I ain't gonna lie, this is already making me feel a little uncomfortable because it's so short. Like I told you, I don't like to do the short looks anymore. I'm starting to stay modest. Like, I'm showing a little bit much, but it does fit, which I'm happy about. So I guess I can't ask for too much, but I'm not even sure where I would wear this to. Like, maybe a good beach vibe. Like, maybe a good beach vibe, but that's about it. So I don't know. I don't know. Will she wear it? Will she not? Okay, y'all. This I like. This I'm happy with. This is giving girly vibes. This is giving like Miss Grown and Sexy Barbie. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cute. It's not too short. And I actually feel comfortable in it. Like, what y'all think? What y'all think? I like this. Like, this makes me feel good. It makes me feel cute. It makes me feel so cute. Like, I like feeling cute, soft, and feminine. You know what I'm saying? So this makes me feel all those three things. So definitely gonna be wearing this somewhere soon. Okay, so I also had to get some cute like two-piece sets. I think these are just like really quick, like on the go. Like, I'm the type of person that don't want to spend too much time trying to put an outfit together. And I think two-piece sets are like the perfect way to like get a cute outfit real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I can definitely do a lot with this. I can dress it up, dress it down, wear it to the beach. Me going to the beach this summer is a freaking must. Like, I'm wearing one of these outfits to the beach. But yeah, this is really cute. It's really comfortable. I'm glad it fits. I'm glad the booty fit. Okay, I ain't gonna give y'all too much, but yeah, this is really cute. So let me know what you guys think. This is the next two-piece set, and I will say, like, it's cute. It's a cute color, but y'all, look at this. Look, it's like huge. Like, that's the thing when it comes to two-piece sets, is you have to order it in one size, and usually like I'm bigger on the bottom and smaller on the top. So if I would have got this in like even a medium or a small, I think it would have been a little bit better. But I don't know, maybe I can make it work. Like, the button right here is open. I don't know, maybe I can make it work. Maybe I could do like a over the shoulder type of thing. If I like go over the shoulder type of thing. I don't know. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think this could work? I could definitely put some heels with this. Like, I think it'll look cuter with some heels. Like, if this was like more of a dressy up type of outfit for an event, but I'm not even sure. It's like, I got angel wings, but okay, this is my last two-piece set. This is like a short set, and this is actually really comfortable. Like, the material on this is pretty good. Definitely could do the same with the two-piece on this one. Dress it up, dress it down. I could do some sneakers, I could do some heels. Like, I can make it whatever I want it to be. So I really like this one. I'm feeling like I'm gonna be giving it all white this summer. I'm feeling like I'm gonna be like heaven on earth type of bitch this summer. That's what it's giving with all these white outfits. So this also has pockets. I love something with pockets. So what y'all think about this one? Okay, we have another romper. It's a shorts romper. This is really cute and comfortable. I'm glad it fits, y'all. Like, these outfits are fitting and I'm loving it. I definitely got the right size. This is in a size large and it just feels really comfortable. Like, I just wear these with some sandals or something, like, to the beach. I'm wearing every outfit to the beach. Not even playing. But yeah, this is something I can put on really quick and get out the door. So definitely feeling this one. What y'all think? What you think? I don't even care what you think because I'm still gonna wear it. Okay, so I also got some skirts, y'all. I got some long skirts. I feel like longer skirts are way like more elegant and classy and feminine at the same time, which is definitely the look I'm going for. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it with this top, but this is also something that I got from Shein. And I don't know, it might look cute together if I put the right shoes with it, but yeah. How y'all giving this? You know, how y'all feeling? So I also got this skirt, and this is just a black one. It feels pretty much the same as the other one over here, but yeah, it's just black. And then I also got this shirt. I just like this shirt. It says abso-fucking-lutely because abso-fucking-lutely I will. Abso-fucking-lutely. So that's just how I'm feeling this summer. I can definitely dress up this, dress down this. I like that I can be versatile with it because your girl need options. So which one y'all like better? Okay, so y'all also got this jean tube top looking thing. I think this is really cute and it actually fits very well. But yeah, I got this one in a size medium. I like how it make the titties look, you know what I'm saying? Like, it make it look cute. I don't know if I'll necessarily wear it with this skirt, but I do like that it fits. Y'all like this one? I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, so I also got these fun, cute pink pants. Aren't these adorable? And it goes perfectly with this top. This is just like a pink and blue sheer top that I thought was cute on the website. So I got it. And yeah, this is two together. I'll definitely have to change my bra. But I will definitely wear these two together. I'm mad this does not have pockets. Dang. You almost had me. You almost had me, but you ain't got the pockets. But it's still cute. Fits very nicely. And I'm happy about it. What y'all think? What y'all think? I don't know if I wear some heels, maybe some cute sandals. I don't know. I'm definitely more of a sandal girl though, so. I also wanted to show y'all this shirt. It literally says, I'm literally just a girl, because I'm literally just a girl that literally says literally in every freaking sentence. What y'all think? This accidentally came with two of them. I don't know if I bought two on accident, but I got two of these that say I'm literally just a girl. So I'm literally just a girl. What Mona Leo said? Wacko 50-50. I'm literally just a girl, or whatever she said. Y'all know that new song, but yeah, I think this is cute. So okay, I also got these pants. These are like a faux leather, and I literally cannot believe these are fitting right now. I don't think I've ever gotten a pair of pants from Shein that actually fit me. Like, these actually fit. They actually go above my ass. I'm literally shook right now. These actually fit, y'all. These actually fucking fit. And I got room. I got room. I can roll these. I can put these pants up. I can put them up over the fupa. I can put these pants up. Like, I can do a lot with this. So check it out. Check Check it out. Check it out. They comfortable. I can move. Can I squat? I can squat on it. Oh, y'all heard them bones? It's okay, but I can squat. Do the ducky. Okay, like these actually really comfortable, y'all. Like these feel like some yoga pants or something. I'm so shook. These fit. Okay, I love these pants already. I love them already. Wait, but it's not done yet. Hold up. We got the jacket. We got the jacket. We got the jacket. Wait, let me come closer so y'all can get the detail. We got the jacket. We got the jacket. We got the jacket. Y'all, I have been wanting a faux leather jacket for like so long. And it's cheap on Shein, so I was like, why not? End up getting me one. Definitely can wear it with this outfit. I can wear it with a lot of outfits because I've had a lot of outfits in my closet that I want to wear this with. So I'm so excited I finally got me one. So what y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know. Okay, y'all, this is the last outfit, and this said it was a shirt. At least I thought it said it was a shirt on Shein, but when I took it out the bag, it looked like a dress. So I was like, oh wait, I forgot another dress. But I don't know. What y'all? This is definitely a dress. This is definitely a dress, but it said it was a shirt online. I could have sworn it said it was a shirt. But anyways, I still think it's kind of cute. I can definitely do something with this. It's not too short to be a dress. And I definitely think it's too long to be a shirt. So I think I'll just wear this as a dress. Like, I think it's pretty cute. Not too short, so I like it. And yeah, this is the last look. Let me know what you guys think about this outfit, about the other outfits. I'm going to show you guys some clothes that I didn't try on camera because they were just too short and they didn't fit. So I tried this on, but it didn't fit. And I was actually kind of excited about this because it's a skirt. And I really wanted a skirt so bad, but this is just too short and it's showing way too much. So I ain't even want to put that on camera. Like, I ain't trying to give y'all that type of show. Like, I'm not even getting paid from YouTube yet. So we ain't giving you that type of show. But I think this was really cute if it did fit. Maybe, you know, once I get a little bit slimmer, it might fit. So I'm gonna keep it just in case. I also got these shorts. These are too short and showing too much on camera, but I think they're something cute maybe to go to the pool with or even go to the beach with. I just don't feel comfortable showing them on camera because it's showing a lot. Like, it's showing a lot. But if you catch me at the beach one day, you might see me wearing these. I do think they're cute. They do fit. And they're pretty comfy. I might just keep them at home to wear by myself. But yeah, those are just two of the other items that I didn't try on. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get my subscribers up. I hit 100 subscribers. So I'm so happy. Thank you guys. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.